It's gonna get. Yes! Yes!
Oh my God, we never get to see anything like that.
Is it recording?
Yes!
Did that win a red light? Finally!
Yes! We got it on camera.
Yeah, pull him over, bro. Yeah, pull him over.
Oh, shit!
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Okay, she's getting pulled over, right?
Yes.
Whoa! Yes, please pull him over. So good.
Hey, gonna get you too. Another one bites the dust.
You're on the wrong side of the road, bud.
No, I was trying to tell my friend.
You're on the wrong side of the road. Go ahead and hop out of the vehicle for me, okay? So I do smell the odor of alcohol coming from you. Every time you're talking to me, your breath smells like alcohol. Is it safe to say you know your alphabet A to Z? I'm not going to ask you to do it backwards or anything, right?
I know my alphabet.
Okay. So start with D for me and end with T.
D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, S, T.
Start.
Too quick.
Try it again. Just try it again.
D, E, F, G, H, L, M, N, P, Q, S, T, I, D, V, S, T, U, V.
All right, so you're under arrest for OVI tonight, okay?
For new chips, and yet their inventories are growing. They are depreciating their hardware over 6 years while claiming next year's models will render this year's completely obsolete. Current state of everything. Nearly half of the U.S. data centers.
Just gonna run the light, didn't even slow down. You see the light was red?
No. Busted!
It screeched angrily. At the same moment, I cast heal on myself as I pulled the holy group proportion bomb free. I tried to heal myself each time. Force sizzled as Sierra screeched yet again, its voice high and piercing. I was hoping it'd drop me. Or just go. I pulled the second voice from just in the sunset. Ducked by one of the trees, and she emerged from the canopy like a wizard atop a mountain. Tiara.
Got there, but when it switched, I didn't have a chance to stop. I'm very sorry.
Well, it was bright red.
I know. No, well, it was yellow and.
Good morning.
You were stopped for disobeying the sign on there that says no right turn from 7 a.m. to 9:30. I need to see your driver's license, please.
Yes, sir. Oh boy.
Okay, is there an SO unit with you?
Did you see the 3 cars on the side of the interstate with our lights on? Yeah. Any reason why you didn't transfer from the right lane into the left lane? He hit something? Yeah, that's fresh. Yeah, it is. Looks like a guardrail, but I wonder where. You said you haven't had any alcohol to drink tonight or anything? No?
No.
Okay. Any reason why I'd be smelling some alcohol? No? So just stand like this. Right foot in front of your left. Hold on. I didn't tell you to start yet. So put your hands behind your back.
1191 Cambridge. Why? What did I do?
Okay? You've been placed under arrest for OPI, okay?
Somebody's in trouble. Got him.
With my uncle racing there, and Dan Luganville, who was Roger Penske's right-hand guy for had to be 30 years or more, had become a pretty close friend, and he knew that I was coming up through the ranks, you know, doing the Indy Light stuff, dabbling in Indy car.
Like literally fighting each other. Yeah, probably won't be great. You want to talk about Dan Bongino? Crash out? Yeah. Also, he's kind of in a fight with Dave Smith right now. That's the main crash out. Yeah. Well, I guess he's crashing out, period. But Dave Smith is definitely Dave versus Bongino is sort of the main thing. Bongino, yeah. Dave said they were.
Woo-hoo-hoo! Later! Yoo! Get him! Get him! Oh!
Hell yeah, get his ass. Come on. Get his ass.
Sir, I'm trying to go in over there to go.
You're fine where you are. License and registration, please.
Okay, sir, I'm gonna go over there.
No, you're not going to go over there. You're going to put the car in park.
Oh, sir, I didn't do anything wrong. What is wrong?
I'm Officer Chestnut, Fairfax County Police. I stopped you for going through a turn lane.
Sir, with the Easter Church, this is a very blessing, sir.
Vehicle registration, please. Okay, this is a citation for failure to obey the highway sign.
No, sir. This is wrong.
Okay.
You should have given me warning. Don't do that. Even though everybody do that, you should know better.
I'm going to the restroom. I'm stinking.
Yeah. But you driving crazy.
I know, boss. I know, boss.
Yeah, you're driving no insurance right now.